Welcome to Jet Plus World. Some 1,000 Jews were celebrating their some festival in Australian beach boundary where two terrorists opened fire and killed 14 people on the spot and injured 24 others. One of the killer was also killed. This is called religious terrorism. They were from Pakistan in 1998. The person had migrated on student visa to Australia, and where he stayed back, and his son was born in Australia. Duo, father and son, they had weapons, license holders, licensee weapons, and they opened fire on celebrating crowd, killing on the spot 14 people, including a 87-year-old person and a 10-year-old girl child. A cruel and barbaric act, killing innocent people who were busy celebrating their festivals. Because of what? Just because they were Jews and just because killers were followers of Islamic religion. Perhaps it is being believed they wanted to take retaliation. What the Israel is doing in Gaza, they wanted some revenge and they opened fire on crowd celebrating some festival, Jewish festival. They killed innocent people. What religion? What religion can teach like this? Why should there be killing of innocent people who you don't even know? You don't even know their names. You killed them, the terrorists killed them only because they belong to a particular community. Just because. This is the hate crime, and hate for what? Hate for religion. One religion hating another religion. This kind of hatred can be, how can a religion teach this kind of hatred? Can a religion teach their followers to kill others cold blood? To make cold blood killings of innocent children, women? How can a religion teach like this? To kill innocent people. This is completely unbelievable. Can you imagine killing innocent people who are busy celebrating some festival and just coming and opening fire? It is all, the visuals are all over there. I will also paste it. They are killing and opening indiscriminate firing, killing large number of people. 14 people on the spot for what? What was their fault? Just because they were Jews. How can a religion teach like this? Can a religion teach someone go and kill the innocent people? Can any almighty power teach someone that go and kill innocent people? Why? If almighty power wants something to do, he is all powerful. He is omnipotent. He can do anything. If God wishes to do anything, he is able to do that. He himself will kill the people in just, he doesn't need anybody's help of these mortals. It is religious fanaticism. Completely, it's barbaric act. It is completely inhuman act. It is an animal instinct. Even the animals don't kill without any reason. They go for hunt only when they feel hungry, and because nature has made them to eat flesh. Even this way, even the animals won't do that. Attacking for no reason. 14 unfortunate people lost their lives. including a very old person, 87-year-old, and one 10-year-old child. You can see. Can a religion teach like this? How the religion teach you to go to become terrorist, killing innocent people? This is what happened in Australia. Australia is one of the countries who has been very critical of Israeli attack on Gaza. Australia even went one step further and joined the club of countries that extended recognition to Palestinian state. Australia was one of them. Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu had warned Australia at that time, be careful while extending recognition to Palestinian Authority, Palestinian state. But Australian government ignored Netanyahu's claim, whatever the warning he had given, and that is the reason why the Australia is today suffering this act. You have to understand that terrorism is being created. Terrorists are being created, and not today. You may sympathize with certain class of people, but one day the world has to recognize that certain religions are there and they are teaching their people to kill people of other faith. They are sponsoring terrorism. They are spreading terrorism. They don't want to progress. They want to remain confined to their own religious ideologies. They don't believe in science. They don't believe in progress. They don't believe in humanity. The world has to come forward. The one day world has to rise against this menace, and unitedly world has to fight against the religious-based terrorism. Otherwise, the existence of the world itself will be in serious danger. It is still the way the terrorism is spreading across the globe. The existence of the other faiths will be in danger. The world has to, if not today, but tomorrow, world has to rise to the occasion and fight this menace. Joined, unitedly, world must realize the danger. See, there are the people who don't believe in peace at all. They have no idea of peace. They have no faith in coexistence. They don't recognize other faith. They don't recognize other people. For them, all the non-believers are to be killed. Straight. What their religious leaders, they openly speak around the world that wherever you find kafirs means non-believers, kill them. They openly say. The religion that teaches, find the people of non-believers or people of other faith and kill them. Do you expect peace from them? Do you expect that they will respect your existence? In India, we have been the witness to terrorist violence for long, and recently, there was bomb blast in Delhi's very busy market area, in which 13 people, I think, they were killed, several injured. Today, 14th December, Australia witnessed the same. Indiscriminate firing here, and they were all, people like the Islam. The Pakistan? This person was from Pakistan. Pakistan is the biggest sponsor of terrorism. It is the factory of terrorism. In Pakistan, all over there, terrorists are being trained, are being funded by the army, and they are sent, across the border to kill innocent people, to bomb anywhere, to fire on crowd, bombing, all that. Pakistan is the heartbeat of terrorism. The matter is still subject to investigation, but I think the Pakistan connection will emerge during the interrogation and investigation. This terrorist violence in Australia, you will find clear-cut Pakistan connection for sure. The world must come to the occasion and control Pakistan. If they are not able to control Pakistan, they will not be able to control terrorism. Pakistan must be punished by the global effort. What India is suffering, the entire globe will suffer one day. Those who are sympathizing with Pakistan, they are actually helping the terrorist machinery. Though all those countries which are helping Pakistan, are supporting Pakistan, they are actually supporting terrorist machinery of Pakistan, terrorist training camps. So be careful. If you must find the ways to finish this menace from the globe, from the earth. Otherwise, just wait for one incident after another incident. They will, today it is Australia, yesterday it was India, today it is Australia, then tomorrow will some other European country or some other country. It is completely unbelievable that a religion is there only to teach violence. A religion is there only to teach people to kill innocents. How can it be possible? It is great, it is misfortune of this part of the globe that we are witnessing this kind of violence, that innocent people are killed. It's very sad. The world must come forward and take suitable action to control this sponsorship of terrorism, this factory of terrorism. You must come forward to talk to the people why this religion is teaching terrorism. What is fault with the religious teachings? One has to find it. Meeting you in the next video.